Come on, Caitlin, what's that?
Easter 2007, Caitlin's second Easter. She's on an Easter egg hunt. She's got most of them now. Oh, there's one. Good girl.
Come this way.
You can put it away. I think Daddy found more.
What's this?
Oh,
Come here.
there's more, Caitlin. Go see. Go see.
No.
No. I've got enough, I think.
Caitlin, come on. Quick. Quick, come here. What's this?
Oh, Daddy got another one.
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
You want to carry them
Come on.
around.
What's that?
Whoa.
Whoa. Hi, Daddy. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, you grab that one. Bingo!
Oh, another one.
Yay!
Good
Ta-da!
girl. You got them all. Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, ready, Caitlin? Say happy
Apple.
Easter.
This is you.
Good girl.
Good try.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.